Hello, this is Mrs. Al-Amoudi, and we are going to start the next chapter in taking a look at advertising. So the new site that we are going to use is called Admongo. So this is the site. Once you click on the link in the class lesson, what you're going to do is you're going to come to this site. There'll be a short brief introduction, and what you need to do is you need to create your character. This is set up as a video game, and I do want to forewarn you, I am not good at video games because I don't play them a lot. I'm very awkward and slow, so I do apologize if I kind of stumble while going through this tutorial because, like I said, I don't practice a lot, I don't play a lot of video games, so I might be a little bit awkward. So just to start, the first thing that you need to do is you need to create your character. Okay, so you can pick if you want a boy or a girl. You just click on the site here. Okay, so you can pick different boys or girls, however you want. You can continue to click through them. Okay, we'll pick this guy for right now. Let's check out his hair. We can change up the hair, make the character look however you want. Okay, so now I have my character created. I chose all of his clothes. Oh, and I need to put in a name. So I'm going to name him this, and we're going to click on next. Okay, when you click on next, then you need to come up with a password. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my password. Okay, so now that you have your password created and you have your password hint, this is the screen that comes up once you hit proceed. If you hit proceed and for some reason your password isn't correct or it's already taken or your screen name is already taken, then it'll prompt you to make a new screen name. Okay, so now that I have the account created, you're going to click on continue. Okay, so now we're on this screen. Once you hit continue, you're on this kind of introductory screen. I turned off my sound and my music just so that you can hear. What's really cool about the site is it walks you through and shows you how to move through the game. So mainly you're going to be using your up, down, and side, your up arrows, your side arrows, and the space bar on your computer. And it'll tell you how to move through the game and what you need to do. So in order to activate objects, you need to press the space bar. To jump, you have to have a combination. As I said, you guys are probably way better at this than I am, and only because it took me 15 minutes to get through this the first time is why it's maybe going a little quicker right now. But you get through this site and you continue through, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm not quite to the end of this introductory screen, but I want to make it very clear that it's good and it's important to collect these coins that you see at the top here, because what I am going to do is eventually when we're done with these activities, the student and or students who have the highest number of coins at the end of our activities with Admongo will get a prize. So collect the coins, do any bonus activities that there might be, and I just wanted to let you know. Okay, so now I have reached the end, and once I get to the end, there's a bunch of fireworks, and then it says your game has been saved, so you're going to click on continue. Okay, so a couple of things. So you're going to start in level 1, area 1 sidewalk stroll. If you're not 100% sure, you get confused on what you need to do, you can always hit menu. Okay, so what you're going to do for your first activity with Edmongo is you're going to work on level 1, area 2, and level 1, area 1. So level 1, area 1, and level 1, area 2 will be your first activity. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on continue and follow through the steps. At the end, if you want, you can save your game. So, for example, it shows you what area. See, there's 4 different areas in level 1, okay? So you're going to go through and use the sleuth to tell you where you're at. Okay, now if you want to stop, say for example you have to go do something, you can always click on save your game and then click on that and it'll save your game. You can also go to the menu, and the menu gives you sleuth, home, map, how to play, and restart area. Okay, as you can see in the right corner here, these are my coins, what I have collected so far. Okay, so you will continue through through the game, and as I said, for your first game, you will be going through level 1, area 1, and level 1, area 2. And like I said, we will be using this site for multiple days, and at the end, you will submit a screenshot that shows me what your score is. And as I said, whoever has the highest score in the class, maybe the top 1 to 3 students maybe, will get prizes in the mail. So this is, like I said, just the brief introduction. You guys are probably going to be whizzes at this because, like I said, I'm not very good at video games, and I know kids love video games. So enjoy, and if you need help with anything, please feel free to contact me at any time, and I will be glad to help. Enjoy the game.